how to scale your marketing agency or web development studio, let's say to 50K per month, and after that transform it into a tech startup to get a subscription revenue, passive income, and raise your first 200K of angel investment for building your future SaaS product. To do that, you need to go through the 5 stages that I will tell you in this masterclass. So we are going to cover next topics. How to scale your agency sales team, how to choose the right niche for your future startup, and of course fundraising process. How to raise venture capital investments, what kind of investor exists, where to find them, how to pitch your idea when you even don't have any product, how to find coders who will build the first version of your product for free. Also, we will talk about how to find a tech co-founder if you are a business co-founder. If you are a tech co-founder, I mean you are a coder, I will tell you how to find a business co-founder who can help you with marketing, sales, and fundraising process. All these topics we'll cover in this masterclass. How do I know it? Because I have undergone this path. My name is Anton Viborniy. I'm a co-founder at a tech startup named Apiway. Apiway helps digital marketers to connect marketing apps with each other using API and automate workflow. Now I will show you a quick 1-minute demo of how my product works. For example, if you are a Facebook or TikTok ads expert and you use lead form to generate leads for your customers or for your business, you can easily send lead data to Google Sheets, CRM system, or email marketing software. When someone submits a Facebook lead form, lead data will automatically send in Google Sheets. We have more than 50 apps that digital marketers can connect and automate their workflow. Now I will show you Apiway dashboard where you can see that more than 30,000 marketing agencies and businesses use Apiway. Here is a screenshot from our Stripe account where you can see that the last 3 months we got new 3,000 users with a 40% growth rate. Now you can see Apiway's customer reviews on independent software review website named g2.com. So it is a real product with a real digital marketers who use Apiway every day. I know your problems because I also had a marketing agency before that specialized in Facebook ads, CRM implementation, and marketing automation, which I transformed into a SaaS startup Apiway. And I have done it using my personal 5 steps method that I will tell you about in this masterclass. In 2021, I raised my first venture capital investment from one of the biggest email marketing software vendors in Europe, which has tens of millions of dollars in revenue. And in this masterclass, I will also tell you how to find these kind of investors and how to pitch your idea when you even don't have any product. A few words about my lifestyle. I'm a digital nomad, mostly living in Bali and travel a lot. Our team is 100% remote. I'm surfing every day and sometimes do crazy things like playing guitar and singing in Chinatown. Sometimes I want urban life and I'm going to the big cities. Sometimes I like to see the sunset on the beach, and sometimes I like luxury style. So I try to enjoy life to the maximum every day, and I can do it not because I work hard or because I'm so smart. No, I can do it because I have a product that is sold on a subscription basis. This is the key thing. To get a subscription-based revenue, not a service-based. Today, SaaS business model, it is the best business model in the world because now people spend $250 billion on software every year, and they will spend more than $330 billion in the next 5 years. Venture capital investors invest tens of billions of dollars in SaaS businesses every year, and you can be a part of that if you will follow my 5 steps of agency transformation. You know, it's like a big wave that you need to ride. The next important thing that you should understand is that the cost of $1 in revenue in different businesses evaluating differently. Let's say you have an agency business and your revenue is 100K per month. The valuation of your company will be zero because you sell people's time, and it's very easy to rehire these people and copy your business. But if you have 100K per month in SaaS business, your company has a valuation of 10, maybe 20 millions of dollars because you are selling subscription-based product. So you can sell just 10% of your company and become a millionaire. This is the critical difference. SaaS founders, software vendors, are wealthy because they sell equity of the business, which costs millions. And equity in startup costs millions because it is a subscription-based business. 10 years ago, it was very hard to build products. But today, with no-code tools and AI, you can build it much faster than before. But it is also a problem for slow-tempered people, because active people can act very quickly. They don't wait and write this way right now. So today is the best time to launch your startup, because tomorrow it will be harder. Also, 10 years ago, to raise venture capital money, you needed to live in the United States. Today, you can raise money living in any country. Originally, I'm from Ukraine, and I was building my startup during the wartime, sometimes without electricity, any lighting, and under bombing. And I'm not joking, guys, without any electricity. So if I could do it from Ukraine, you also can do the same things. You just need to do these 5 right steps that were proven by me and my friends that in most cases also had an agency businesses and transformed it into a tech startups. My 5 stages method works for any agency niche. Paid ads marketing agency, SEO, CRM, email marketing agency, remote sales agency, and of course web development studio. If you are providing coding service. So the main point is that any service-based business in any country you can turn into SaaS business, have a subscription-based revenue, raise venture capital, and scale your company to the higher level. 99% of agency owners choose the conventional way. They go to YouTube, watch this video about how to make cold calls better, how to write email topics that will have better open rate, how Magic ChatGPT helps get the new customers, and something like this. They have a mindset like the more actions like calls and emails I will do, the more I will earn. And it works. But look how many people are doing the same things. Imagine how many similar emails and calls your leads get every day. But you can be different and choose the inconvenient path that only 1% of agency owners pick. I also have chosen this way, and I'm also playing in this SaaS game with my Apiway startup. And I invite you to this not easy, but very exciting and profitable journey. You have 2 options. On the one hand, is to keep doing agency business, provide service, earn good amount of money, but never become a millionaire. And on the other hand, you can start not easy, very risky, but very exciting and extremely profitable venture to become a tech startup founder. I already made this choice, and I hope you will choose the right pill. So if you are ready for the software revolution, see you in the next video where I will tell you about the first from the 5 steps that you should do.